Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm going to be trying out probably the most expensive lip balm I've ever tried at this point. This is from the brand By Terry and this is the Baume de Rose Liquid Lip Balm. It retails for $53, so I'm really excited to get to try this, and it just seems so unique and different because it's a liquid lip balm, which I am so intrigued by because I have very dry chapped lips. I'm sorry they look so bad right now, but hopefully I can change that as soon as I apply it. It also claims to be a cult classic, which I love trying out the cult classic makeup products and seeing if they're worth the hype. And it's supposed to give a glossy finish and fuller, plumper lips, which is what I'm always trying to get with my lip products. It has Rose Blossom Essential Wax to soothe and repair the condition of dry, chapped lips. I really need that. It's a non-sticky, creamy texture that leaves a natural glossy finish with a delicate rose scent. Ooh. It also has shea butter, vitamin E, ceramides, and hyaluronic acid. Those sound like great ingredients to be in here. So without further ado, I need to get these dry lips under control. So let's see if this will do it. Oh my gosh, it definitely smells like rose. It's kind of potent, and I feel like I have not tried out a lip product that smells like this. It reminds me more of like a skincare scent, so it feels a little weird putting it on my lips, but I do like this smell. All right, let's see if I like how it is on my lips. Oh my gosh, it works. I just watched the extremely dry, chapped areas of my lips become smoothed out, hydrated, moisturized. It's a little interesting to me how when you could see this kind of has like a slightly off-white color to it. So I feel like I can't apply too much, or else you can kind of see like a tint of white on the lips. So I kind of wish it didn't have that color to it. I wish it was just completely transparent, but it does have some shine, and like I like that rose scent, but it does throw me off a little bit. I feel like I can slightly taste it. But doesn't it always seem that those very expensive products have very strong scents that oftentimes you don't actually need? So I could probably do without that strong rose scent and flavor because it tastes kind of weird in my mouth. But I really like the feel of this on my lips. It's very similar to just a lip gloss, but a moisturizing lip gloss. I do still see a little bit of dry texture on my lips, which does kind of remind me more of a lip balm, where like a lip balm oftentimes just coats the dry lips. It doesn't completely get rid of the dry texture, whereas like a lip oil, I feel like tends to completely eliminate any dry texture. So it's not 100% moisturizing to my very dry lips, but it does help a lot. So there are a few things that I don't love about this, but it is a nice, nourishing lip balm that I will reach for probably more so when my lips aren't this extremely chapped, because I feel like I still need a little bit more moisture than what I'm getting with this because I'm so picky. Like I'm looking in my mirror now and I can still see a little bit of dry texture. And I don't want that in my lip balms, my nourishing lip products. So this is nice for someone that has just slightly dry lips, or maybe how my lips get more so in the warmer weather. So not something that I think you need in your collection, especially for $53, because for the purpose of moisturizing my lips, there are better and more inexpensive products that I would reach for. But I would really love to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on this product if you've tried it out. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day, and I will see you tomorrow in my next video.